In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a secret hidden folder in Gmail in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to keep certain emails organized, separate from your main inbox, or hidden from view so your sidebar stays clean and easier to manage. You can use this for private projects, schoolwork, client emails, receipts, or anything else you want tucked away neatly inside Gmail. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to create the hidden folder. Once Gmail loads, look at the left-hand sidebar. If you don't see everything right away, click more to expand the list of options. Then, find and click Create New Label. In Gmail, labels work like folders, so this is how you create the hidden folder you're going to use. A small window will pop up asking you to name the label. Enter whatever folder name you want. Keep it simple and clear so you can remember what it's for later. For example, you can name it something like Work, Receipts, Private, or Archive No Notes. After typing the name, click Create. Now your label has been made, and it should appear in your Gmail label list. Next, if you want to hide that folder from the sidebar, click the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of Gmail. From there, choose See All Settings. This opens the full Gmail settings page where you can control how labels appear and behave. Once the settings page opens, click the Labels tab. This section shows all of your labels and lets you decide whether they should be visible or hidden. Now scroll through the labels until you find the one you just created. Under the option that says Show in Labels list, change it to Hide. This tells Gmail not to display that label in the left sidebar, so it stays out of sight unless you specifically go looking for it. This is the step that makes your folder feel hidden while still keeping all of your email organized behind the scenes. After selecting Hide, your changes should save automatically, or you may need to back out depending on your Gmail version. Now let's talk about how to move emails into your hidden folder. Open the email you want to organize. At the top of the message, click the label icon. It looks like a tag, and it's the tool Gmail uses to apply folders or labels to messages. When the list appears, select the hidden label you created earlier. Once you check it, that email will now be assigned to that folder. If you want the message removed from your main inbox, you can also click Archive. That keeps the email in your hidden label but takes it out of the inbox view so your inbox stays clean. This is especially helpful if you want to store messages privately without seeing them every day. Later, whenever you need them, you can search for the people or find the message through Gmail search. And that's it. You've now created a secret hidden folder in Gmail and learned how to move emails into it. It's a simple but powerful way to organize your inbox and keep certain messages out of plain sight. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gmail tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.